Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the Leo. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, the Leo. Okay, so these readings are general readings, guys. So it may or may not be resonate with each and every one, and every message will not be resonating with each and every one. So please take the messages accordingly your situation. Okay, so we will start for the Leo for this week, that is 13th July to the 20th July 2020. What is the message coming for Leo? What is the message for the Leo in the coming week? What is going to happen in this week for the Leo? Okay, so the first card is Ace of Swords in reverse, Nine of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Very nice. Okay, we will take the clarifier why the Ace of Swords is reverse. You might be dealing with the air sign, water sign or earth sign. Okay, or might be you are in this energy right now, water sign or earth sign. Okay, or strong water or earth signs in your natal chart. Okay, so what is the message for, sorry, please clarify the Ace of Swords. Universe, please clarify the Ace of Swords. Okay, Five of Cups in reverse. Okay, yeah, and bottom of the deck is Hermit in reverse. Okay, so now this is the good news for you guys. Your wish is going to fulfill. Okay, Nine of Cups is a card of fulfillment, wish fulfillment, wish come true card. Okay, your wish is granted. Okay, and Ten of Pentacles is the card of family, complete family. Okay, this might be the celebration in your family. This might be the happy moment in your family, or full of happiness with the family. And your finances may get increased in this week. Okay, your wish is going to come true. Your wish has been come true. Okay, the Ace of Sword has been clarified by the Five of Cups in reverse. So in the past, in the current past, there was no excitement in your life. Okay, some problems was there because you was not able to see the Two of Cups behind you. Okay, you was worried about the whatever the wrong things are happening in front of you. Okay, but right now the card is in reverse, which tells us that you are able to see the Two of Cups. Okay, that's why in the Two of Cups is a card of the lovers. Okay, the divine connection. You are happy in your love life or in your married life. Okay, so this card is again clarifying the Ten of Pentacles with the family, happiness, family card. Okay, and this was your wish. Okay, that your wish has been granted. Okay, you are coming out of the hermit mode. Okay, you are coming out of your hermit mode. You was in hermit mode. You was not you was taking you was focusing on yourself and gaining the knowledge for yourself, finding the path for you, and now you are able to you are able to come on the path, and some of you are on the path. Okay, the right path. Okay, So very nice. Now we will take one advice card for you, and I will let you know the affirmation for you in this week. Okay, so one affirmation for you. So we will take one advice card for you, and then I will let you know the affirmation. Okay, listening 33. The 6 is the victory card. Okay, very nice. Listen and the answers will be revealed. Okay, that's what you was in hermit mode. Okay, you was in hermit mode and you was listening yourself. So unicorns and the universe are letting you know that listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition and your questions, the answer of your question is there inside you. Okay, and you have done that work. The hermit is reversed, so you have been done that work, so your answers are revealed to you. Okay, very nice. And the bottom of the deck is perspective. Examine your situation from the higher perspective. Okay, 23. So the positive changes is coming to you. That is what the your wishes come true. And family card is also in completion. That is the 10 of Pentacles, which is a very happy card in the marriage life. Okay, so the perspective, examine your situation from higher perspective. Okay, whatever the fights, whatever the arguments was there, think on it in bigger perspective, higher perspective. Okay, rather than fighting, you may be able to sort it out, all the questions, all the reasons for the argument and anything. So your wish will be come true. So I will let you know the affirmation for the listening. Okay, for the listening card you have the affirmation: I quieten my mind and listen to my unicorn today. Okay, I quieten my mind and listen to my unicorn today. Or you can say, I quieten my mind and listen to universe unicorn today. Okay, the second affirmation is perspective. I look through unicorn's eyes. Okay, even though you are not even if you are not able to see the situation from the higher perspective, use the eyes of unicorn. Okay, unicorn is helping you out. Okay, and unicorn will give you the insight, give you the vision that you can see these arguments, these fights in the higher perspective. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to see this all the situation in the higher perspective, which will lead to the happiness. Okay, wish fulfillment. So very nice reading for you, Leo, in this week. So if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Okay, thank you so much for the watching and take care. Bye bye.